Is there anything you want to do? Are there things you want to do? And you're actually there. How do I go about this? These people are going to criticize me. They're not going to like what I'm doing. They're not going to approve of it. The truth is, no one validates you. You understand? No one has the right to tell you what to do. Whatever you want to do, so long as it makes you happy, just go ahead and do it. Just go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Whatsoever you wish to do, so long as it makes you happy. Don't wait for people to approve it. They shouldn't. The truth is, most people will not approve what you do. They won't even like you for what you do, especially when it's bringing cash, especially when it's putting money to your pocket. They're not going to appreciate it. But don't give up. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you know how best to do. Keep doing that thing that makes you happy, but for Pete's sake. The truth is, this life is just once. You don't need anybody's validation. They don't qualify you. Okay? They don't at all. So all you need is just for you to do what makes you happy. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. On a kun way. That's all that matters. So, that being said, be you. Be real. Do what makes you happy. And have fun. Have a great day.